Look at his fingers.
Nice. Oh wow.
Wait, put it in the video.
No, put it in the video.
Da-da-da.
Audio is already cursed. No need to curse the video.
Dude, that sucks.
Actually,
You gotta be careful with your
this
toes,
fillet
man.
action in.
Dang.
Unconventional.
He moves the video over there. I'm coming over. So we can get our true love on video forever. Documented. We shared a bed together in National Harbor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
National Harbor?
Yeah. The hotel. Was it National Harbor? No, it wasn't. It was the harbor after. It was the SFS after. This fool was like, he's like, I'm just gonna come sleep with you guys. And he's like, and then the lady's like, you can charge extra and you can get like a couch or something. And he's like, yeah, you guys should pay extra so you can get this couch. I was like, nah. So we did it. We put two doubles right next to each other. Yeah, we just had a big bed for three of us. And then we made a three-way spoon and Bradley was big.
Is he big, middle, or
He was small.
I would
I was in the middle.
like probably the best place to go.
We have a picture of it. I need to find it. I need to find that Blurson picture. And send it to Sirach. Yeah. We have it recorded.
Oh!